Ever need your numbers in Excel to look like this, perfect and uniform, especially for things like ID codes or serial numbers? Often, when you enter numbers that require a specific number of digits, like a 5-digit product code that starts with a 0, Excel might drop that leading 0. For example, if you type 007 into a cell, Excel might just show 7. This can be a problem when you need consistent data entry and want to ensure all your entries have the same length. The good news is, it's super easy to fix this using Excel's custom number formatting. First, select the cells where you want to add leading zeros, then right-click anywhere within the selected area. From the menu that pops up, choose Format Cells. This will open up the Format Cells dialog box. Now, in the Format Cells dialog box, make sure you're on the Number tab. You'll see several categories on the left. Go all the way down and select Custom. In the Type field on the right, this is where the magic happens. Whatever is currently in that type box, you're going to delete it. Now, you need to decide how many digits your numbers should have in total. Let's say you want all your numbers to be 5 digits long. To achieve this, you'll type a 0 for each digit you want. So, for 5 digits, you'll type 50000. If you wanted 7 digits, you'd type 7 zeros. Once you've entered the correct number of zeros, just click OK. And just like that, your numbers are now formatted with leading zeros, ensuring perfect consistency for your data. This is a fantastic trick for maintaining clear identification codes and a neat, organized spreadsheet.